friends, this is Normal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to share some of the tips, tricks and features of the Fun Touch OS on the Vivo V5. So the Vivo V5 comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and we have this Fun Touch OS which is a custom one from Vivo, and it comes with a lot of additional features which you would never find on the stock Android. So we'll share some of these tips, tricks and the features available on this UI. So let's get started with the tips and tricks. So first up, let's see the home screen. So if you just swipe from the bottom, you get the control center. So control center implementation is quite similar to what we are seeing on the Gionee smartphones. So we have the multitasking options. You can see which all apps are running right now, and if you just swipe, you can just clear the apps from the background. And here you have the slider for volume and the brightness slider. At the bottom you can see there is a lot of apps included. A lot of settings are available like flashlight, S capture, global eye protection, data, vibration and super saver for battery and stuff like that. At the end you can see the three dots. When you click the three dots, you can see the option to customize these display switches. So right now almost 13 switches are available and 3 of them are not available. So if you just want to rearrange them, or you want to add new switches, just drag and drop the switch and it will be automatically available. So these are the switches available. So you can customize these switches based on which all you need and the order in which you want to appear, and click done. And now if you just swipe, you can see those switches are added and you can customize them. So if you want a particular set of switches to be available in the first screen, you can just go here and click edit, and this is the first screen that will be available when you by default turn on the control center. So that's a pretty useful option in the control center to customize the toggles. Now if you just press this key, you can see that there are options to add widgets. Dynamic sliding effects are also included. You can see the sliding effects which all you want when you switch between multiple home screens. And there is also option to hide an icon. Say for example, if you are installed an app, you can just hide these apps, and you can just click back, and now you can see those apps are hidden and not available unless you go back and click the hide button and unhide this. So that's again a useful option. If you want a particular app to not show up in the home screen, you can just always have this option of hiding the apps. So these are some of the options in the home screen. And now let's go to some of the other apps. We have this iTheme manager. So iThemes allows you to download additional themes. You can see a lot of themes are included. So if you're a person who loves a lot of customization, we have themes, wallpapers, lock screen options. Then you can see fonts also are available. So these are some of the useful options if you love customization, and this UI provides a lot of options as well. Now you can see there is also iManager, again a useful phone manager app which comes with phone cleaner, data monitor, app manager. If you go to the app manager, we have this option called app lock. So here we can set a new password or use a number and lock the apps, and these apps will be hidden or rather locked and cannot be accessed unless you provide the password or the pattern. So this is a pretty useful option. Then you can also see other options to manage the installed apps. Now another useful option is the power manager. So power manager allows you to manage the battery. We have extreme performance mode, normal mode, power saving mode, super saver mode, and you can also see excessive background battery usage, and control the excessive usage using this app. So this is a pretty useful app. So these are some of the options available in the my iManager app. Then now let's go to the settings app. So here we have additional features. So if you go to the display and brightness, so we have this global eye protection. So once you turn on this option, it will be warmer screen colors to relieve visual fatigue. So you can see, just enable this and this will be warmer colors. So you can also toggle this from here. You can see there is an option to toggle the global eye protection here. So just turn on this and this will be warmer colors. So that's an option. You can also set the timer for the global eye protection option. Next up, you can see the status bar and notification. So here you can enable the network speed, enable battery percentage option, and also display the events. So again pretty useful if you want these options to be shown in the notification center. Now apart from that, you also have additional settings here. You can see here additional settings. So here you can enable the OTG. So if you are using OTG, if you want to use OTG, you need to enable it here. You can see, just turn this on and it automatically turns off after 5 minutes of inactivity. So that's the OTG support. So here we have an additional option called flashlight reminder. So flash for incoming calls, messages and agenda reminders on a black screen. So that's again a useful option. Then we have some additional options. So these are really good options. Smart motion is there. So these are some of the gesture supported. Smart awake. So a lot of options are there, like slide upwards to unlock, slide downwards to take photo, draw seat to wake dialer. So these are pretty useful options. We are not going into detail of these options. These are pretty self-explanatory options. You can enable these options and use these options to use the device to wake up. So these are some of the useful options. Then you also have some air operations like air unlock and black screen glance. So these are some of the useful options. Then we have smart turn off or on screen. So double click to light up the screen light when out of pocket, smart keep brightness, double tap to turn off the screen. So these are again additional features available. Shake to turn on the flashlight, tilt to zoom pictures. So additional lot of features are included. You can just go through these options, whichever you want, you can enable that. Then another useful option is the smart multi-screen. So smart multi-screen is an option where you can run two apps at the same time. Not all apps are supported right now, so a handful of apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, all those things are supported, and you can see here you can run two apps at the same time. So you can split the screen between the two apps. So if, for example, if you are reviewing your Facebook timeline at the same time, you can watch any YouTube video. So that's a smart multi-screen option. That's again a pretty handy tool available on this device. Then there is one-handed UI. So we have seen a one-handed UI on most of the devices. So this will make the screen smaller for one-handed operation. So you can see keypad, screen pin and pattern. Access one-handed, the keyboard or pattern will shrink when you slide from one edge of the screen to the other. So access mini screen using gestures. So these are some of the useful options in the one-handed mode. Then we have this super screenshot. Here we can record the voice and also record the screen using this option. Then there is smart click option. So smart click with just press of the volume down button, you can enable one of these functionalities. Say for example, I turned on or off the flashlight, so just turn off the screen and press the volume down button and you can see the flashlight turns on. So that's the option available. So that's a pretty useful tool available. So this is some of the gestures supported in the Vivo V5, the Fun Touch UI. So these are really useful features. So lots of them are included, so you can have a look at them and customize them based on your needs. So these are some other tips and tricks you can try out on the Vivo V5 with Fun Touch OS. So hope you like this video. These are some of the extensive features and options available in this UI. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.